Hello, welcome to another episode of This, That, and the Other, and it's the first week of September. Rainy day today, rain all day. Today I'm going to be discussing a product I ran across, I believe in California, in a Walgreens, called Father John's Medicine. Kind of interesting that a cough medicine would be named after a priest. This is what he looks like, Father John O'Brien, a priest from the 1800s. And it says Father John's wholesome family medicine was originally compounded by Reverend Father John O'Brien of Lowell, Massachusetts in 1855. This is the reverse side, probably same stuff, barcode. It's expired back in November of 2008. I bought this in 2006 in a drugstore in a Walgreens in Duluth, Minnesota. I ran across it and thought it was kind of interesting item. Let's see inside and take a look at the bottle. Also has a picture of the priest on it, and it's I guess it's about the active ingredients, bottom of the bottle and top. Would have been interesting if I could have gotten a hold of one of the old glass bottles. Saw a picture of one older bottle of Father John's. It was a bigger box, and it said since 1855. Father John's medicine is a cough medicine that was first formulated in the United States in Lowell, Massachusetts pharmacy in 1855 by Carlton and Hovey to give relief to ailing Father John O'Brien. The tonic was a non-alcoholic mix made of cod liver oil and a licorice taste. Sounds like an awful combination. Mr. Carlton, Mr. Hovey, using Father John as a spokesman, began to manufacture and mass-produce the medicine in Lowell until the company was sold and moved to Cody, Wyoming in the early 1980s. Today, as sold, the active ingredient in Father John's medicine is dextromethorphan. Many of Father John's cough medicine records are housed at the University of Massachusetts Lowell Special Collections. Kind of interesting. I have never actually tried this cough medicine. I don't think I'm going to after hearing what it's a combination of. I don't like the taste of licorice, especially black licorice, and I doubt if I would like the taste of cod liver oil. I do not recall ever trying it, but I have heard all kinds of bad things about how this stuff tastes, so I think I'll pass on trying something like that. But I just thought it was interesting to see a cough medicine has a picture of a priest on it. Wasn't really able to get much on Father John O'Brien. He was a priest in, I guess, in the 1800s, and I did look up the name Father John O'Brien. I got a number of Father John O'Briens from all over the place: Ireland, New York, a couple of obituaries from some Father John O'Briens that have died. So it's a pretty common name, but I thought I would go ahead and feature this as I thought it was an interesting product. I'm always intrigued by things that are unusual, and this is definitely an unusual thing to see on a bottle of medicine, picture of a priest, Father John. As always, like, subscribe, share, and looking for a partner. As always, thanks for watching.